1, dive!
SuperNURDs is at rank 5, the Vitruvian is at rank 3, and they're against each other this match. Let's see how it works out. SuperNURDs getting 1 L4 placement, going there and back. Blue side of the field. Overclocked, putting a Qual on level 4 at the very end of Autonomous. Scores are almost tied up as we go into Teleop. SuperNURDs taking out Algae off their reef and putting an L4 Qual up. Overclocked lining up for a level 4 placement. They get it on smoothly and quickly. Vitruvian doing the same for blue. SuperNURDs pushing an Algae into the middle of their reef while placing a level 4 Qual. Overclocked back at it again, placing another level 4. 55-15, stuck on top of an Algae. Maybe one of their alliance partners is able to help them out later on. SuperNURDs grabbing an Algae, dropping it, and waiting until they stop moving to put another level 4 Qual up. Vitruvian bots pushing the Algae out from underneath. Blue Power Robotics, Overclocked, getting an Algae in their net. They're going out, trying to clear up their reef once again. Lining up for an Algae, and they get it in. The Omnicats going over to their Qual station, trying to get some game pieces, 101-47. ArmBots also with a Qual, putting it in L1. SuperNURDs just speeding back and forth, placing L3s one after another. With a minute to go, 86-66, blue has a 20-point lead, but this might not be for long. Qual Overclocked getting another Algae up into their net, clearing that reef. Vitruvian bots lining up, L3 placement. Blue Power Robotics lining up also, going for what looks like an L2. Vitruvian bots L3. Blue Power Robotics gets their level 2, 30 seconds to go. Blue with only a 12-point lead. This really could be anyone's match. Omnicats trying to go up on a cage. SuperNURDs dropping their Algae. They're now trying to climb with 20 seconds to go. 97-85, 100-85. Blue still keeping their lead. Vitruvian bots almost off the ground, but not completely. Robots coming to park. Only about 5 seconds to go. Can SuperNURDs make it up in time? 3, 2, 1.